Welcome to today's discussion on the applications of internet. As we have already discussed in the last session, there are many possibilities that have come up due to internet. In today's session, we will see some more possibilities. In one way, whatever we discuss, there are advantages of internet or applications of internet, because internet has created huge opportunities for people across the world to do many things that are convenient now to do due to internet, as well as to do many things that are not possible earlier due to absence of internet. At the same time, the real innovation lies in what way you want to use internet for your betterment and for making others' lives better. So the objective is to see some more applications of internet in this presentation. Uses of the internet in our daily life, they depend on the desires as well as goals. Activities in our daily life are decided after the use of the internet. The internet innovated our daily life. We spend a lot of time on the web. Positive use of the internet makes our lives easy and simple. Internet provides us useful data, information, knowledge for personal, social and economic development, and it is up to us to utilize our time on the World Wide Web in a productive manner. Internet is a revolution in information technology. I am using both the phrases internet and World Wide Web in an interchangeable manner. They are different, however, we'll treat them as synonyms for the purpose of the discussion. For example, it is possible now to go to several websites and have a look at the demographics. It is also possible to download the data sheets, and it is also possible to get the analysis of the data which is going to enrich your knowledge about a particular thing, which has become possible due to internet, otherwise which is not possible so much easily. Because for example, you consider World Health Organization, you can find a lot of data on the website about the COVID-19. The same data would have not been accessible if there is no internet. The moment they upload the data, people across the world can go through it. In the absence of the internet, most probably it would have been very difficult. And at the same time, not just for knowledge purposes, but also for economic development we are using. For example, consider the inflation, and even consider about the stock exchanges which are open Monday to Friday. So nowadays, due to internet, it is possible for you to buy the stocks online. Earlier you have to contact a broker, and broker used to buy on your behalf, then you will pay for the stock plus some brokerages. Yes, now also you pay brokerage, but to the bank that is providing you the online trading. Due to the online trading, what is happening is that you can take informed decisions, because news until that moment about that particular company are available online. Then you can also see many endorsements, many recommendations, many views about a company before you venture. So it is possible to participate in a knowledgeable manner or in a better informed manner due to internet. Internet is a revolution in the era of information technology. Yes, computers are existing since a long time. Internet has come a bit later, but when internet has come, the computers have become completely different, and they have become very powerful. And as the time passes, you have seen the CPU speeds increasing, more demands for the bandwidth, due to which we started from the 2G mobile phones, 3G is running, 4G is running, 5G is running in some countries, and in those countries which is not yet available, it's expected to be launched. So it's taking nearly 10 years to launch a new generation, and the main new generation's feature is providing you a high speed bandwidth to access the information, so that you will be able to download heavy files such as multimedia files like movies and other things which are very difficult to download with the current internet speeds. So internet has completely revolutionized the information technology, and one very important thing is that in future you will have what are called quantum computers, which are going to be many fold faster than the current computers, and which are going to work on a different paradigm altogether. The use of internet is changing the lives, businesses, technologies, social behavior, consumption of customers, transforming the traditional methods. Internet is used to solve daily life, professional and business problems. Of course, let me remind you that if you want to visit a doctor, you have to go physically earlier. Now, if it is okay for you, it is possible that you connect with a doctor online and take the prescription. It is even possible for the doctor to examine you physically through a video call. And consider legal help. There are many websites which are consisting of lawyers on their panel who will be helping you to resolve your disputes or even litigations. Almost everything is possible now through internet. And even for shopping you can save time, you can find more product options, and also it is the best for learning and building the skills. It's a communication channel that making it possible for all types of social, technical and business groups to explore the opportunities. You are free to use the internet. Internet is a magical tool that will help you to become successful in your career and business, but only the positive and productive use of the internet will help you out. Any use of the internet which is not in the interest of the humanity or which is not permitted legally may land you in serious problems. So avoid using internet for those purposes which are not in the interest of the humanity as well as which are violative of the law. There are many uses of internet for business promotion as well as digital marketing. Internet is the prime source for business promotion and marketing. For example, let me just remind you that whenever you go to a site, you find many advertisements. These advertisements are nothing but they are marketing their products, and there are many facilities on internet which are free of cost. But when you are availing the free services, you also find advertisements flashing on the page. So the money they are earning due to advertisements is making them to provide the service freely to you. Yes, there are other ways also where you are getting a free service at the cost of sharing your data, maybe for the terms or for those conditions which are already specified and accepted by you. So business promotion and marketing has become very easy in the era of internet, and of course a physical sense of checking always prevails, but it can be done at the last stage rather than starting it from doing from the front stage. You use the internet to build the presence of your local business online to get more customers. You can sell your products on your own online store website or also by using online selling platforms such as Amazon. You can also create, run and grow your online store by using third-party software and business services. Consumer and broad market e-commerce, online selling, digital marketing, drop shipping, advertising and software development industries are in a boom. For example, read the story of Amazon. Amazon, to my knowledge, is originally a bookshop. Today it sells many things and it is one of the world's top companies which is into selling of not just books but many things. Of course, you can cross check this information because I have told you that Amazon is initially a bookshop. We can also use internet for daily life, particularly by the students. Students have a free platform to learn throughout their lifetime. People in the age group of 18 and 35 are among the most frequent users of internet today, and these people are mostly students from all over the world. They are using internet to learn new skills and even acquire degrees in professional online courses. Earlier we used to visit the institutions to learn, We used to sit in the classes physically, we used to listen to the teacher, we used to listen to the teacher not just about the curriculum but also guest lectures and other things, and also post our questions physically directly to the teacher. But at the same time, suppose you have a very good teacher at a university abroad, there is no way that you can listen to that teacher and there is no way for you to interact with the teacher. But internet has made it possible. You must have heard the names of Coursera, EDX and DataCamp, and there are many portals which are offering online programs very successfully, and these are called MOOCs. So it is possible for you to become a data scientist, to do a master's degrees from the world's reputed universities online without going and visiting that place. And they are using the internet to teach new skills and also award degrees in the professional online programs. One can learn technical, non-technical skills by using the internet, and the cost of online learning is less than the traditional method of learning. In the traditional method, it is face to face, you go and sit and then you learn. In the case of internet, you have many options from you want to learn, and suppose one topic I learn from this teacher, I can learn another topic from another teacher, and it's up to me. And if you can really use the power of internet in a justified manner, you will never feel like learning face to face. And all these are becoming possible because there are various sources, educators and methods to acquire skills, and one of those is the following, that where you can earn any kind of skills in a few hours, weeks, months at a very low price. It is also possible for us to become more productive due to the internet, and even we can perform our daily tasks at a very higher pace. Our routine is initiated by the internet. It is the first thing in the morning we do see our notifications and emails. The internet has made human life so much easier. Now the biggest and toughest tasks are done in minutes. No matter it is a simple email and even ordering something, a milk from a vendor, shopping or money transfer, it is so much easier by the use of internet in life. Uses of internet for online selling or shopping have become hassle-free, and almost anybody can order products online after comparison with websites that offer similar services. The boom and the resultant competition on the online shopping business are evident. Shopping sites are more interesting because of the huge discounts different companies are offering to the customers. People are attracted to them, and this is good news especially for the Indian shopper because of our frugal spending habits. The pace of work towards innovation and quality of research is developed by the internet tools. It is not tough to research on the internet. From small business owners to big universities, everyone is putting the benefits of the internet for research and development, data analysis, data entry, data research, data management. All these services are very highly in demand due to internet. Internet is also providing us a very quick and a free communication service. Internet is undoubtedly the most effective and far-reaching communication tool we have at present. Communication on the internet is free and fast. We all are connected with each other on various computers and IP. Skype, chat messengers, social media are common for personal and professional purposes. This ability to communicate at breakneck speeds enables us to finish our tasks faster and become more efficient. It is hard to imagine how many people working in 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. jobs want to leave into jobs and work independently as freelancers or start their own internet business. The emergence of websites such as Upwork.com, freelance websites has given people the option to work remotely according to their own schedule and the commitment. Thousands of freelancers and professionals are doing this on a daily basis to earn more than their bread and butter costs. Facebook business pages, Google AdWords, Paytm, blogs, YouTube channels, Amazon and other affiliated marketing methods are various tools that are used to make money by providing things of value to the internet users. And it is also possible to manage the money using internet. Use of internet is not just limited to only earning money, it can also be used to manage the money. We can now see hundreds of websites, apps and other tools that help us in handling daily transactions, transfers, management, budget planning, and their trend is growing steadily. The use of internet banking and mobile banking is also growing. All the banks are really working hard to provide internet banking and mobile apps to empower people to utilize the power of the internet and the latest money management tools. Bucks4.com, Mint.com are the websites and apps that are providing free and space services to manage your money. There are several uses of internet even in everyday politics. Internet is a great tool for politicians to connect with the people. The uses of internet are not only in personal and business life, but it is common now in politics. Politicians are using various methods to influence people and youth on social media to favor their party. They are also using it to criticize other political parties. For example, our Prime Minister of India, Chandrababu Naidu, and Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, are very active with their followers on Twitter and Facebook accounts and sharing views on a particular topic. So, in case you want to know about the current government, you will immediately go to the Twitter account and try to read the announcements starting from today onwards backward, so that it will give a lot of in-depth idea about the politics that are going on in your nation or across the world. It is a widely accepted fact that the government's success is largely attributed to its presence on social media and an active social media team. It is also having many uses in the area of teaching as well as sharing knowledge. Internet is a very important tool for educators. Similarly, educators are using the internet for teaching and sharing the knowledge and experience with the world. Internet and its application is user friendly and makes students' life easy. A teacher can use YouTube channels to teach students around the world. Teachers can use the blog in which they can share their career experiences with college graduates. There are various websites for teachers to teach online. Teachers can use blogs, websites, YouTube, online course books, online tools, content to create and distribute educational content. It is also possible to solve the problems of others by using internet. You can determine the importance of internet that it is mostly used to solve the problems of others. Online forums, social groups, and the platform in which you can provide a solution. For example, people ask questions on Quora and then people who know the solution answer. The use of internet is not only beneficial for others who are getting the solution, but also for the people who give the answers. Answer providers are on the forums and are mostly bloggers and internet marketers and businesses. They use such a platform to connect with their target users or clients or readers. Internet is very useful for cashless economic development. The use of internet banking, mobile banking, e-wallets also help at some point to decrease corruption in India as well as any other nation. It is because when using digital transactions, it will be recorded in the database. Bank databases can be easily tracked by the income tax department. So it will be helpful for a government that all income tax paid shows correct details or income report in the ITR. Internet can play a very important role in environmental development. We can use internet tools such as social media and blogs by promoting environment development activities. Sharing valuable information and knowledge regarding trees, plants and water will make positive effects on internet users. There are a billion people who use the internet. If each day one people are inspired to save trees and plants, then it will be a very great use of the internet. So there are many ways to do things. We can even protect the environment using internet. Not all parents are having computer and internet. Also there are many people who are not having literacy of computer as well as internet. However, The internet literate people can use the internet to guide their kids. They can analyze the content on the internet better than students. So they can suggest what is helpful for kids to do on the internet. Another thing is that they can help kids in their studies and education. I know various kids more about the internet than their parents, but it's highly important for parents to guide children for the best use of the internet in daily life. Anything that may create even negative things should be avoided or stopped by the parents. Uses of internet on tour and traveling are highly effective. We now search on Google before visiting the places. We booked our tour through the use of internet. We can read blogs about the tour and travel experiences and tips. Tour and travelers are marketing campaigns to attract more people to their website to book the tourist package. We can now compare the tour package prices on the internet and choose the one which best suits our budget and requirement. The use of the internet is highly effective because now we can see and analyze the place before we book our tour package. This is one of the largest uses of the internet. The right utilization of internet power is challenging for governments across the world. Government expenses are reduced due to providing data and information for people on government websites. People are taking advantage of government policies and websites. Any government information and service are easily accessible for the citizens. Using tools such as Right to Information, we can have the online access to important governmental documents. So after seeing the above uses, I think after having a look at these advantages, we have to agree that internet is playing an irreplaceable role in the human development. No field can exclude or escape with their ever-growing World Wide Web, which we call internet, because if they don't, then their competitors will catch up and in no time the businesses will melt. So always it is essential that it is very important that the internal processes and the way we interact with the customer are completely shaped with the new and increasing power of internet day to day. Today almost all the things are connected and working through the internet. There should be no doubt that the internet is becoming the engine of every new invention. Even machine learning, cloud computing, business intelligence, internet of things, automation and artificial intelligence tools and services evolution never possible without the internet. So very good and big areas are getting evolved due to internet. And it is also possible to stay updated with the current affairs. Daily updates and current happenings are made available in the internet instantly. Internet is considered the real-time hub for all updates about politics, sports, entertainment, science, business and many other fields. The corporate world relies on internet for file sharing, data transfer, internal communications and external communications, and in many other purposes we can get the power of internet. In simple words, internet forms the base of the corporate today. The corporate world relies on internet a lot. So entertainment and the even internet, they go hand in hand. It is possible for us to book movie tickets. It is possible for us to go to the theater and watch the movie. Alternatively, we can even watch movies using OTTs such as Netflix and Amazon Prime and many such things. So you don't need to go out even to watch a movie. Of course, you can go out, it's up to you. But internet is making it possible for you to be in home and get all the facilities. And one important thing is that if you can plan your daily routine in such a way that in a balanced manner you do those things which are possible due to internet without going outside, and also go outside to do certain things, your productivity will increase because you are going to save a lot of time. So there are many advantages due to internet, and there are many applications due to internet. And time we need of course we need unlimited time to really dwell into all the applications, and even then most probably we will not be able to dwell. So I suggest you to go through internet, and you can think from your perspective for what purposes you are using internet, and after these discussions for what purposes you can even use internet which you are not doing it now. You treat this particular question as an assignment and drop an email to me. In case you have any questions or doubts, please email to pvsuresh@igno.ac.in. Thank you very much.